Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Kelvin. So today's challenge is going to be 2 minutes plank, 20 push-up, but we are going to do it reverse. So we are going to do it from 20 push-up, then we hold it there and we do 2 minutes plank. Okay, so this is a 5 days challenge. I've already done day 1, so today is day 2. All right, so watch it and let's do it together. That's my watch. Very good. Okay. So 20 push-up, 2 minutes plank. Okay, 20 push-up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. 2 minutes. Very good. So this challenge, we have already done 5 days challenge about this. So this one is a reversing challenge. The first one we did 10 push-up, 1 minute plank. 20 push-up, 2 minutes plank. Okay, but this one we are doing it reverse. Yes. So if you check my previous videos, you will see it. Very good. Almost there. 1 minute. 1 more minute. It's really core challenging. Really good. Almost 1 minute. 30 seconds. Good. It's really challenge, yes. All right. 2 minutes. Very good. I'm out.